Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will demonstrate the actual process of resetting the home screen layout on an iPhone 12. A reset on the home screen layout works by taking all of the preloaded iOS apps such as Calendar, Notes, Settings and more and putting them back in their original positions just like when your iPhone was fresh from the factory. So, if you have created app folders and arranged your apps on different screens, you will lose all of that layout as all your apps on your home screens are rearranged. Performing this reset is fairly simple as it only takes a tap on a certain iOS command. If you're new to the iOS platform and need some input on how to get this done on your iPhone 12, I've laid out the actual steps in this tutorial video. Here's how you reset the home screen layout of the iPhone 12. First, locate the settings icon from the home screen and then tap on it to access the main iOS settings menu. From the settings menu, find and then tap General from the given options. Doing so will open another menu that holds general settings and options. To continue, scroll down to the bottom section and then tap Reset. Another screen will launch, highlighting all available iOS reset options. Select Reset Home Screen Layout from the given options. Read the final warning on the pop-up window beneath the display, then tap Reset Home Screen to confirm action. The phone will then start rearranging the home screen and then restores the factory default home screen layout on your phone. Aside from restoring the factory default layout, performing this reset will also remove any folders that you have created and sort all of your apps in alphabetical order. And that's all about resetting and restoring the factory default home screen layout on the iPhone 12. If you found our contents useful, please help our channel grow by leaving a like, subscribe and enable the bell icon should you wish to get notified of our latest tutorial uploads. Thank you for watching.